Okay, so this is the MSP432. It's wired directly into my circuit. What it's doing is it's reading the values being inputted from my phone for now. It's reading the audio, it's amplifying it, and then it's being read into the board. From there, modifications are being made. After that, the modifications are sent back onto the board to this chip, where it's converting the digital values back into audio, and from there it's being played into this speaker, I guess. My code is ready, so I'm gonna play the song normally with no changes to it whatsoever. Bohemian Rhapsody by Queen, favorite song. So I will add echo now. Here without echo again. The song normally. Here's echo again. And now I'll add distortion. I know it sounds awful, but that's basically what distortion is. And now without distortion. Back to distortion. And now back to echo again. Echo sounds amazing. I'm not so happy about distortion, but eh. And that's all done with my code there in the background. So yeah, that's what I've done.